because I can't do dryness and breaking hands. The two together, they can't combine. They no go agree. Are you getting? They can feel all the elements. Fiam on their scalp. Bozeg, bazag, bozeg, bozeg. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. JC from Just Lost JC here, or whatever. Okay guys, so this video, you can tell by the title, is all about protective styles. One of my favorite things to talk about. If you know me on this channel, you already know. If you know, you know now. So yes, it's another video about protective styling brought to you by I Don't Want to Hear Pam. I Don't Want to Hear Pam Production. So right now my hair is like this, which it's looking ratty, it's looking something, but I have to go somewhere. And I just took out another protective style that I have. So now we're doing something that I could put on and go out my house quickly. So this company contacted me. I'm so happy again to be working with another company. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this. And of course they sent some hair. So I think it's pronounced Naebeauty. I'm going to say Naebeautyhair. And I chose out some hair. So what comes in the box? These. I've seen other YouTubers use things like this when they, you know, do their makeup or whatever. So I thought that was cute. This pin, some lashes. And of course we love a good wig cap, a brown wig cap, and the wig itself. I'm going out, so I needed something that I could put on easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's see how quickly I can get this on. But I did want to talk to you guys about winter protective stylings, because I don't know about you, but I'm trying to grow my hair down to my kneecap. Period. So if you're new here, I will show you guys. First of all, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, what's up? Yep. Still weird. But yeah, I'm going to flash on the screen how my hair looks at the moment. And it has been able to grow this long and be this healthy. Obviously because of some products, you know what I'm saying? We got to sprinkle little products in there. But also because of protective styling and how much I love protective styling. So I'm going to continue to do that. And I wanted to have a discussion about winter protective styles because I think that those are a bit different from summer protective styles. There's certain elements that you need to, you know, face in the winter, at least winter in New York City, okay? Because that's where I am, and baby girl is cold. So I'm going to put the wig on off camera, but yeah, I do want to show you guys how it looks. But yeah, in the winter time, it's colder. You have to worry about those elements here. And I'm a person that I don't really wear hats that often. I probably should, to be honest, but I don't. And so anything that'll keep my head warm is great. Ooh, but this is giving me wavy vibes. You know, all the details and everything to this wig will be down below like usual. You can see the lace is tinted, lace up to here. The rest has some combs, and inside it also came with an elastic band so you can adjust and everything like that if you find it to be a bit big or a bit small. Okay, so we just, you know, kind of slapped it right on the head. This is how it's looking. I don't think it's bad, actually. I am going to try and do some, I don't know why I always try and do this, child, some baby hairs. So I'm gonna just cut some of the hairs in the front. I'm not even sure, you guys know I like suck at laying edges, so this is gonna be interesting, but I figured I should probably try to do it. I don't know, I feel like people cut the hair when they do it, right? I'm gonna use this to try and lay it down. How do people do this? It's like right on my forehead. Right on the forehead, my dear. While I'm doing this, let's just talk about some of the things that I think are important for a protective style in the winter. Because I think that there's a huge difference between a summer protective style and a winter. Okay, maybe not huge. You know, y'all know I like to exaggerate. Cha. But there's a difference between what I'm looking for in the summer versus what I'm looking for in the winter time. And I think everyone would know, especially if you're a New Yorker or someone that's in a place where the winters are a bit more cold. I guess a place like LA or other places, you'd be like, what's the difference, girl? But here, chow. For me personally, I need, and especially now in New York, if you're in New York, please comment down below. Please comment down below and tell these people how the weather has went from us getting random 60 degrees days in the winter. I know, shook, right? Yeah, so were we. To it now being 20s It could be negative, so I'm just bracing myself for that. But right now, it's giving us 20 vibes, and that is so cold compared to what we were getting, you know? So that's just that. Y'all know I don't lay down my wigs, so that should be interesting when I go out, not having it laid, because, you know? Anyway, so what I look for a winter protective style is that it has to lock in moisture. That, to me, is huge. Like, especially if you are in a place, like I said, that's very cold, you know that once it touches that winter air, you can feel, oh my dear, wow, this hair is really soft. You can feel the moisture literally leaving your hair. So you want to get a style, I think it's very imperative to get a style that's going to lock in whatever moisture that you put into it with your creams or whatever it is that you use when you're washing your hair. Because that is the biggest thing that can cause breakage and your hair being more brittle and dryness, which then obviously leads to breakage, is the fact that the moisture is gone from your hair. So that to me is something that you really have to look for in a protective style that you're doing in the winter versus the summer. In the summer, I feel like you can get away with a protective style that isn't necessarily known to lock in moisture, but you can use products that contain humectant or a straight up humectant on your hair. And a lot of the humidity in the summer air, especially like I said, in New York. I'm using this product, by the way, Camille Rose Naturals, after I wet the hair. I don't know if you could see, but it, you know, responds very well to some water. But still, I want to put in a product that will kind of lock it in. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, you already know the Camille Rose Naturals. I got this product in a store that I was unable to return it for my own natural hair, but it just does not do anything for my natural hair. But alas, it cost almost $23, and because I'm not made of cash monies, okay, I said I'm gonna use it some way, somehow. Some way, somehow. Cause baby, there ain't no mountain. But yeah, so that's why I use it for wigs and stuff, curly wigs, because I find that it reacts really well with this kind of hair. What I also look for is something that's going to protect my ends. Baby girl, that's where the breakage happens. We all know, and if you don't know, now you know. But the breakage for hair usually happens at the ends because of the longest and oldest part of the hair. So of course you want to do your best to protect that. So in the winter time, as well as the summer, but mainly the winter, because I can't do dryness and breaking hands. The two together, they can't combine. They no go agree. Are you getting? So I really need to try and protect my ends in the winter. In the summer, I can be like, okay, well, you're not going to be as dry because I'm using humectant and all that. So, you know, we can get away with, you know, having the ends out, doing a little twist out ear and dear. Are you getting? So I do that a bit more. I like my hair out a bit more in the summertime because I'm like, you know what, it's fine. And one more thing I think that differentiates what's happening in the wintertime is that I have a scalp and I have nav endings, okay? And it's cold. It is cold, okay? And obviously we all can wear hats, great. But I'm saying, for them times, yeah, when you're not wearing a hat, yeah, you just want your scalp to be a bit, you know, not exposed, not just open, everyone can see it and everyone can see your business. That's not what we want all the time. So that's something that I look for with protective styles, is protecting my scalp from the cold, just as a comfort level thing. I don't really know if that actually will help with hair growth. I just don't want my scalp to be cold, and I think that's normal. I think that's normal. I'm not good with laying edges, as you guys know. But I am liking this hair. I think I can get away with this, going out with this. I think this is really, really nice, actually. Yeah, let's talk about some of the protective styles that I love. Some of the protective styles that have grown my hair like a weed, and it's gonna help my hair grow down to my kneecap. Okay, so the obvious one is the one that I just had, which were crochet braids. I had more specifically passion twists. I like crochet braids for protective styling. One, because it gets your ends away. Two, because it gets your scalp warm. It is adding something there so that you cannot feel 100% the winter just on your scalp. Next, of course, wigs. I feel like wigs are a great protective style for the winter, especially. For the summer, I we'll do it. I hate to see it, hate to do it. Your head is sweating, you know, your head is sweating on that day. And I think it's good in the summer. It's good for like a 1-2 quick little ting. Kind of like I'm doing this today. This is for a 1-2 quick little ting. Obviously I didn't glue it down. I didn't do anything crazy. So I'm going to be taking it right off when I get back home. So it's great for that. But also I'm hella excited because I'm going out at night, which, if you know, temperature drops in the night. So it's really cold. It is really, really freezing right now. And so this, you guys saw my hair. I have a whole wig cap on and I have this wig on. So my hair is, my scalp, I should say, is going to be really protected and really warm. It's basically like wearing a hair hat. Let's just all be honest about what we're doing here. Well. Of course, we got to talk about my hoji, my old time favorite, which are regular twists, regular 2-strand twists, not with any additive, not with any like hair extensions, just like my own actual hair in twists. That I love. I love that style when it gets a bit older, because when it gets a bit older, the parts get a bit more messed up, and so my scalp is like 100% protected. You don't really see it as much. When they're fresh, when the wind blows, y'all feeling it. Y'all feeling it. It's like Antarctica, it's like, what else is cold? Alaska, it's like ice cubes, it's like a McFlurry, it's all of the things that are cold. You lot know, yeah? You lot know, yeah? The first day that you step out with your hair and your scalp is free for the first time, and you're like, what the heck is this? Whether it's sun shining on your scalp for the first time in your life, it's like you just stepped out of prison and you're like, air, fresh air, freedom, like all these things. You guys know. I think people that have cut their hair, please, if you've ever done a buzz cut or like cut your big chopped, let the people them know, because I've heard people say this too when they get their hair cut. When they step out, it's like they've never stepped out in their life. They can feel all the elements. Fiam on their scalp. Buzig, bazag, buzeg, buzeg. Bang, bang, cold, bam, heat, bam. Sunburn. So it's just... That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below some of your favorite winter protective styles. Let me tell you one winter protective style that I don't want to hear Pam. I don't want to hear Pam about, because I'm not going to do it. I'm not even going to do it. And God will punish you and your ancestors for even suggesting it. What I'm not doing with you lot, I'm not doing those big corn rows. Like the corn rows, obviously the ones where they add a little, you know, Weavon or something, the African hair brand, where they have like the big 4 ones that people do the baby hair. I mean, I think that looks great in the summer. It is such a summer vibe, like 2 big corn rows, and you have the long braid, and they hang time like here, and you're like, ma. That is bellissimo in the summertime. But in the winter time, when I just told you that my scalp is sensitive, and you gonna suggest that? Are you taking the piss? Are you taking the piss? Nah. You think I'm a mug? You trying to mug me off? We're not doing that. We're not. No. No. We're not doing it. I cannot personally, in my opinion, opinion. Personally, opinion. Guys, please send help. SOS. I just physically and emotionally can't handle that kind of temperature on my scalp in this New York something. In this New York 20 degrees going into negative degree something. I just can't handle that mentally or emotionally. So that's that on that. But you know what I'm saying? For going out right now, baby, I gotta show my earring off a little bit. Tuck this. This is what happens when you don't really lay your wigs. You can't do too much tucking or people are gonna clock you. But it's fine, because I think with curly wigs, you get away with a bit more. But you know what I'm saying? So like I said, the info and everything for this hair, 100% human hair, period, will be down below. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you would be interested in a curly hair wig giveaway, and I will definitely come up with something and do a little something. Make sure you comment down below, I don't want to hear Pam, the motto of this channel and the motto of my life. I don't want to hear Pam. Did you hear? I don't want to hear what? Pam from your lips. Also follow me on Instagram. Also comment on my Instagram. I don't want to hear pen and a cactus emoji or a cactus emoji, because then I'll recognize that you came from my channel and I'll be like, what's up, girl? A few of you guys have come already. What's up? My G. What's up? I don't know what I'm saying. Please subscribe because I'm trying to grow this channel, and I really appreciate all the people that have subscribed and continue to watch and stuff like that. I appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? Because YouTube is hard out here to be creating content, but I like doing it, so I'm going to keep doing it. Anyway, thank you guys once again, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah!